வணக்கம், வெல்கம் டு இன்ஸ்பயர் அகாடமி. இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா டிசம்பர் மந்தோட பார்ட் 2 கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ். So first one, what is the name of the harvest festival celebrated before Makara Sankranti? So it is Lohri. Which state is known for celebrating the annual Orange Festival? So it is Nagaland. Trooping the color is a ceremony that is associated with which country? So it is UK. Which airways signed an agreement with SpaceX to make Starlink Wi-Fi available to every passenger in sky? So it is Qatar Airways. Watermeal, which was seen in the news, is a smallest flowering plant. Cashew of which state or union territory got its geographical identification? Goa. Which country is the host of the World University Games 2023? So it is China. Srihari Nataraj, who is seen in the news, is associated with which sport? So swimming. Wari Bridge, the second largest cable-stayed bridge in India, is located in which state or union territory? So it is Goa. Which institution released the high cost of cheap water report? So it is WWF. மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு 9842297768 கால் பண்ணுங்க, ஒரு inspireacadamii@gmail.com மெயில் ஐடியை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.